Public video 1 to 3. Welcome dear viewers to the public laundromat here in the Kingo's Park Tenant Flats. It's a great day doing the laundry here, and we see a lot of wonderful guests here. This gentleman here, he poops down sometimes in his bathing towel. Today he is here in his underpants and vest. European gentleman of East European descent, I believe he's down in his underpants and his vest. That might be indecent exposure. Thanks guys.